For a quick DIY fix, first pour boiling water down the sink. Next, pour baking soda, then vinegar down there too. Let it sit for around 15 to 30 minutes before pouring more boiling water down the sink to flush it through. If that doesn't work, you can get stronger chemical products online or from most supermarkets and DIY stores. To unblock a pipe, first place a bucket underneath to catch any water that might escape. Then unscrew the pipe and wait for the water to stop flowing. Now use something like a wire coat hanger to clear out the inside of the pipe. Once that's done, reattach the pipe and run the tap to check it's airtight. Thanks for watching. Check out the rest of the videos on our YouTube channel. Or for more advice on looking after your home appliances, head to the D&G website at domesticandgeneral.com.